I-League Executive Committee declared Churchill Brothers Sporting Club de Goa as joint winners as the tournament could not be played further due to COVID-19 pandemic, says Churchill. Congress says Union Minister Javadekar has no right to enter Goa, accuses him of selling Madai to Karnataka, says he should meet Melauli villagers. Union Environment Minister says Goans should be grateful as they received good rainfall, mobiles, bank accounts for past 4 years because of Modi. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequeira. Now the news in detail. Goans should be grateful. It is experiencing good rainfall for the last 4 years. The reason? Modi's leadership. This is what Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar had to say when he came to Goa this weekend. He also said that all farmers have bank accounts and mobile phones. Javadekar was addressing farmers from Mahe and Shorao on the farm bill. However, Javadekar did not address the issues of Mole, Melauli protest and Madai, the issues which have been creating a lot of angst among Goans.
Centre government just passed two controversial farm bills in parliament. Protest against this sparked up all the country, with a section of farmers saying that these bills were passed to only fill up pockets of landlords and middlemen. Government in damage control mode has sent Javadekar in Goa to talk to farmers. He met with farmers from Mahe and Shorao.
एक शेतकऱ्याला एका बाजूनी सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड द्यायचं, दुसऱ्या बाजूनी कृषी सिंचाई योजना, प्रधानमंत्री कृषी सिंचाई, त्याला पाणी मिळालं पाहिजे. पाणी मिळाल्यानंतर त्याला पण गोव्यामध्ये पाऊस चांगला होता. 4 महिने 4 महिने पाऊस झालेला अनेक वर्षांनी असेल आणि गेले 6 वर्ष पाहिलं असेल पाऊस एकूण चांगला होतो. तो मोदी लागलेला आहे. ते एवढं जर खरं आहे तर ते एक झालेलं आहे आणि म्हणून एक शेतकऱ्याच्या हितासाठी सगळे असंख्य कार्यक्रम हे मोदी सरकारने सुरू केले. आता सगळ्यांची खाती उघडली, सगळ्यांना आधार कार्ड मिळाले, बहुतेकांकडे मोबाईल आले. ही देशाची एक प्रगती आहे.
No one opposing farmers bill except Punjab. Parties like Congress and Aam Aadmi are
3 कायदे झाले नवे, ज्याच्यामुळे आंदोलन सुरू झालं असं लोकांना वाटलं, पण प्रत्यक्षात पंजाब व्यतिरिक्त कुठेही नाही. आणि पंजाबमध्ये राजकारणामुळे म्हणजे पंजाबमध्ये गमतीदार दृश्य आपल्याला दिसत आहे. त्यांनी आधी प्रचार केला की एपीएमसी नाहीशी होईल. तुमच्या इथं आहे का एपीएमसी उपाध्यक्ष? तर एपीएमसी म्हटलं नाहीशी होईल आणि एमएसपी नाहीशी होईल, पण दोन्ही आहे. आणि पंजाबमध्ये खरेदी सुरू झाली आणि आपण ज्याला भात म्हणतो ते म्हणजे धान, तो भाताची खरेदी सुरू झाली आणि सुरू झालेली खरेदीला शेतकरी येऊन भात घालायला लागले. पण इकडे भात घालतात तर तिकडे आंदोलन करतात, कारण तिथे राजकारण आहे. तिथे काँग्रेस पक्ष आहे, तिथे अकाली दल आहे, तिथे आम आदमी पार्टी आहे. तिघांचा या विरोधात वेगवेगळ्या कारणांनी विरोध आणि म्हणून राजकारण म्हणून आंदोलन.
Parties like Congress and Aam Aadmi are politicizing the issue in this state. This is what the Union Minister had to say. Listen.
Ports Minister Michael Lobo is planning to bring a casino vessel double the size of the one restricted by the Captain of Ports. In a circular, the maximum size of any vessel is supposed to be 90 meters, the Congress alleged on Saturday. The Captain of Ports had said that a bigger vessel than this could block the river channel, and also permission cannot be given to such a big vessel. However, they claim that permission was given due to pressure by a minister and want the ACB, Lokayukta and CBI to take cognizance of it.
The Congress alleged that Ports Minister Michael Lobo wrote to Captain of Ports to register this ship and allot it an appropriate place. Captain of Ports obliged to its own rules and agreed to bring in the vessel. Alleged Congress, a casino had written to Captain of Ports to replace its existing casino vessel with a new one. Listen to Congress spokesmen on the issue.
Saying that he wants to get casinos in the Aguada Bay. He wanted to get casinos from Panjim into the Aguada Bay. But from the documents that I've got, it appears that it was to get another casino, a new one, a bigger casino, which does not fit in the rules of the Goa government. This Delta Cruises gave required information. Now what they have said there is that the ship that they are trying to bring in place of this Royal Flotilla was built in 1997 and its length is 122 meters and breadth is 27 meters. Now as per the circular of the Captain of Ports, the maximum length of the ship can be 90 meters. While another letter dated 26 November 2019, the same company proposed to bring in a vessel which is 132 meters in length and 26.82 meters in breadth. Now 132 is exactly double the length of the existing casino ships which are there anchored in Panjim. On 12 December, marine engineer Octavio Rodriguez and deputy captain of ports Premla Sirsaikar have noted that getting such a vessel, is dangerous to the environment and could block the navigation channel. What happens is this ship is very long, so they cannot maneuver in the mouth of the river. So if that comes, it could block the channel by chance if it is grounded. They have put it in the notings. They said in the past history, even 2,000 tons barges get grounded in the channel. And we have seen cases like that in Panjim and Miramar. This ship which they are trying to bring is 20,000 metric tons. Despite this glaring illegality, the Minister of Ports, Michael LeBon, 30th of December, wrote that NOC to register may be issued to acquire and bring the new vessel in the river Mandovi and asked the department to suggest an appropriate place to anchor this ship, the big vessel. 2020, Secretary Ports P.S. Reddy opined that before registering and bringing the ship in Goan waters, a place should be identified to anchor the ship at the present site where other casinos are anchored is dangerous for safety and security of the passengers. This is what the Secretary of Ports has written on the file noting. But the Ports Minister on 9th of June has in his file noting put that NOC for replacement of vessel and mooring should be in Mandovi River, where all other casino boats are anchored. And despite this earlier reservation, Secretary of Ports and Captain of Ports have gladly obliged. On the 10th and 15th, they have signed this. They have agreed against their own notings, where they said it cannot be put in the river Mandovi, this Captain of Ports and this Secretary of Ports, they have agreed. It is a fit case for Anti-Corruption Bureau, Lok Ayukta and also CBI. Because the bribes that have gone into this, to do this illegality, I mean, we will go to court, we will get more documents, we are going to go to court. And I think everybody was involved. From the marine engineer, captain of ports, deputy captain of ports, secretary of ports have to be probed and punished for this illegality. They may try to change the law now, again, to give permission to this bigger ship. But as of today, the law does not permit a ship of more than 120 meters length.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Badauli MLA Churchill Alimbaugh has extended his support to people opposing the doubling of South Western Railway tracks to transport coal. Churchill also said the Executive Committee of I-League declared Churchill Brothers and Sporting Club de Goa as joint winners of I-League as the tournament could not be played any further due to COVID-19 pandemic.
The president of Churchill Brothers Football Club said the executive committee of the I-League decided to declare Sporting Club de Goa and Churchill Brothers as joint winners of the tournament as it could not be played because of the pandemic. The tournament had to be cut short due to COVID-19 pandemic.
जे आमी दुलियर ग्राउंडाचेर ओपन ग्राउंडाचेर सगळ्यांक डिस्टन्सान एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी मिटिंग आनी ते 5 पॉयंट आहले ते 5 पॉयंटाचेर आमी डिस्कस करता त्या प्रमाणे एपावट लीग मध्ये बंद जाली कोविड लागून सगळे आख्या सत्राक जाल्ले सो ही प्रॉब्लेम कितें जालें स्पोर्टींग वयर आहल्या टेबलाचेर कित्याक 2 गेम उरल्यो 44 कितें जालें आनी आमच्यो 5 गेम आसल्यो आनी आमी 37 आहले जो स्पोर्ट्साचो चेअरमॅन पळय डॉमिनिक एडुकेटेड ताणें दिल्लें नल आनी एवॉयड करपाक नल एवॉयड करप सारकें ना कित्याक आज चर्चिल आलेमांव जिखपाक शकता वो केलो स्पोर्टींग जिखपाक शकता ताका लागून जॉयंट विनर म्हणून रिकमेंडेशन दिलें.
Churchill said he is with the people opposing the doubling of South-Western Railway tracks. There is a strong opposition to the proposal to double the SWR tracks to transport coal as people living along the track stand to lose their houses, some of which are considered heritage.
So, हो प्रोजेक्टाक चड करून कायद आसलेलो एमपी जेन्ना तुमी एमपी निवडून दिला 3 जाणांक एमपी लो कायद आहलो बाबा आमकां गोंया हें नाका गोंया आमकां नाका पळोवचो कित्याक आमकां जाग ना एमपीन थिंगा जाप रे एमपी कोल्या भाशेन आयले सगळे एमपीन जाप काडना आतां हें सेंट्रलाक दुयेंस आमकोडे तितून देखून आमच्यान करून जाता तें आमी करुया बंद जाता जास्त हांव सांगूंक शकना पूण हांव लोकां परस
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Varka.
Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar has no right to enter Goa after selling Madhe to Karnataka. The Congress also challenged him to visit Malauli and speak to the villagers and farmers there. Congress activists burned Javadekar effigy, charging that he was trying to fool the people on the coal issue.
Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar is in Goa. He met farmers from Shorao and Mapsa. Congress registered their protests against him on Madhe as well as Malauli. They warned that unless he settles these issues, they would continue their protests against him. Javadekar is in the state to create awareness on the Farm Act issue.
मुर्दाबाद 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 जर तू गोंयान येयलाय हांव चॅलेंज करता ह्या एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टराक जावडेकराक जे मेळावले जे शेतकार जे गांवकार जे प्रोटेस्ट करता त्यांच्या बरोबर वचून भासाभास कर IITच्या नांवान 13,000 लाख कोटींनी तुम्ही जी स्क्वेअर मीटरची जमीन हडप केल्या त्या शेतकऱ्यांक त्या गांवकारांक त्यांच्या बरोबर भासाभास कर चोंडा वचून त्या थोड्या फार्मरांकडे भासाभास करून कांयच साध्य जावं मोल्या वच आणि मोल्याची झाडां आमची वयतली आमचे एनवायरमेंटाचे डिस्ट्रक्शन जातले त्या लोकांकडे भासाभास कर तेचो आमकां कितें फायदो आनी आमकां कितें लुकसाण जाता हे आमी तुका सांगता गोंयकार तुका सांगता हिम्मत आसा जाल्यार लोकांकडे वचून मेळ आमच्या ह्या गोंयच्या सैमाचे डिस्ट्रक्शन करूंक जर तूं येयलाय जाल्यार आमी तुजो निषेध करतले आनी परत परत आमी तुजो हो पुतळो जळयतले तूं ह्या देशाचो मंत्री जावन आसा तुवें शपथ घेतल्या की आपूण पर्यावरणाची जतन करतलो पण तूं आयज सगळो सत्यानाश करपाक हांगा येयल्लो आसा सो आमी तुजो निषेध करता.
There is no cost benefit studies which are done for whatever projects they are getting into Goa. कितें आमकां फायद्याक पडटलें गोंयांक वो ना पळय तें एवरीथींग इज डन बाय डिस्ट्रॉयिंग आवर fields, destroying our rivers, destroying our forests. So we strongly object to this and I don't know what face the minister has got to come and enjoy himself in Goa here. They are taking a selected audience and meeting some farmers. Meet the farmers who are affected, meet the people who are affected, meet the coal affected people, meet the people who are there in the Molem who are fighting against them. तांकां मेळना ऑडियन्स घेतला कॅप्टिव्ह ऑडियन्स घेवन तेंचे कडेन भाशण करतलो वयतलो दाखोवपाक आपूण फार्मरांक मेळोन येयले म्हणून फार्म बिल द होल ऑफ इंडिया इज ऑब्जेक्टिंग टू दॅट हांगा ते फार्मरांक थोड्या फार्मरांक हें करूंक वी वील ऑब्जेक्ट टू दीस वी वील फायट फॉर आवर स्टेट वी वील फायट फॉर इंडिया.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The coronavirus death toll in India has crossed 1 lakh mark, while the total cases have reached 64 lakhs. India has seen a rise in coronavirus cases since 204 days back when it recorded the first COVID-19 patient. The first death reported on 13th March, where a 78-year-old succumbed to COVID-19. Since 13 March till now, the death toll has crossed 1 lakh mark in the last 6 months.
A single day jump of 79,479 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 1,069 deaths were reported and 75,628 patients have recovered. India has reported 64,73,544 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 9.44 lakh mark. 1,842 deaths are reported and 54,27,706 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 14.16 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 7.6 lakh mark, Tamil Nadu 6.8 lakh, Karnataka 6.20 lakh, and UP 4.6 lakh. Almost 3 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 3.48 crore. 10.33 lakh deaths are reported and 2.58 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 71.60 lakh cases, followed by second worst state nation India 64.73 lakh cases, Brazil 48.82 lakh cases, Russia 11.94 lakh cases, and Colombia with 8.41 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
India tested its ballistic missile Shaurya amid ongoing border tension with China in East Ladakh section. This ballistic missile can hit surface to surface and has capacity to carry a nuclear warhead. The missile was tested at Balore in Odisha.
Shaurya ballistic missile can hit accurate target 800 kilometers away. The Indian missile system is now stronger with Shaurya in the pack. Earlier, India tested BrahMos supersonic cruise missile with a 400 meters plus range on Wednesday. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
And now for some sports news. Chennai Super Kings have made a record of hitting most sixes in Indian Premier League. This team has scored 1,000 sixes till date. Only 4 teams have achieved this feat in IPL history.
CSK scored 5 sixes against Sunrisers Hyderabad on Friday. Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran scored 2 sixes each, while Dhoni scored 1 sixer. With these 5 sixers, their total sixes reach 1,002. Along with CSK, Punjab has scored same sixes. RCB has record to hit most sixes in IPL. The team has scored 1,147 sixes. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV. Or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.